If you've ever seen someone walk into a room rocking a rare pair of Jordans, Yeezys, or Dunks and thought, wow, I wish I knew how to find sneakers like that, then this video is for you. Sneaker collecting isn't just about footwear. It's a culture, a passion, and for many, even an investment. Today, I'll walk you through step by step how to start your sneaker collecting journey the right way. Welcome to HowExpert Tip of the Day, where we bring you real-world tips from our how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. If you want to learn even more in-depth strategies, examples, and techniques on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Sneaker Collecting, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. Sneaker collecting is more than buying shoes. It's about understanding history, appreciating design, and curating a collection that reflects who you are. Whether you're in it for the style, the community, or the resale game, these steps will give you a solid foundation to grow your collection with confidence and purpose. Step number 1. Learn the history of sneakers. Every great collector starts with knowledge. Sneakers have deep roots in sports, music, and street culture. Understanding how Air Jordans changed the game in the 80s, how Adidas partnered with Run DMC, or how Nike SB Dunks became a subcultural phenomenon will help you see why certain shoes carry so much weight. For example, the Jordan 1 Bread isn't just a shoe. It represents Michael Jordan defying the NBA's uniform rules and redefining basketball culture. When you know these stories, each sneaker in your collection becomes more than fabric and rubber. It becomes a piece of history you're preserving. Step number 2. Define your sneaker goals. Not every sneakerhead collects for the same reasons. Some focus on basketball shoes, others on runners, trainers, or skate shoes. Some want to wear every pair, while others display them like art. Decide what matters to you. Do you want a closet full of Grails like the Off-White x Nike collabs? Or do you want an affordable but meaningful lineup of pairs you actually wear daily? Having clear goals prevents you from wasting money on hype alone. Think of your sneaker collection like building a playlist. You want every pair to fit your vibe. Step number 3. Learn how to spot fakes. One of the biggest challenges in sneaker collecting is avoiding counterfeits. With today's replicas, it's not always easy. Train your eye to look at stitching, font on labels, box details, and smell of the materials. Use trusted authentication services or apps when buying high-value pairs. For example, StockX and GOAT have built reputations on verification, but even then, it's smart to learn for yourself. Imagine saving months of hard work only to drop $500 on fake Yeezys. That's a mistake you can avoid with careful research and attention. Step number 4. Start small and build smart. Many beginners think they need to drop thousands of dollars right away, but the best collections often grow slowly. Start with pairs you love and will wear. Maybe that's a clean pair of Air Force Ones, Vans Old Schools, or Adidas Superstars. These classics give your collection a strong foundation without breaking the bank. Over time, you can save for bigger purchases like Travis Scott collabs or rare retro Jordans. Remember, collecting sneakers isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Step number 5. Master the art of the hunt. Finding sneakers is half the fun. You'll need to know about raffles, release dates, and restocks. Follow sneaker blogs, download release apps, and join local sneaker groups. For example, Nike SNKRS drops are notorious for being tough to win, but persistence pays off. You might also find hidden gems at thrift stores, outlets, or even in your own neighborhood's resale shops. The hunt builds stories around your sneakers, and sometimes that story makes a pair more valuable to you than its market price. Step number 6. Take care of your sneakers. Condition is everything in sneaker collecting. Learn basic sneaker care. Use shoe trees, clean them regularly with sneaker cleaner, and store them in a cool, dry place. Some collectors even keep silica packs in their boxes to prevent moisture damage. Imagine buying a pair of white Jordan 4s and letting them yellow in a dusty corner. It's painful. Proper care ensures your sneakers hold both their beauty and value. Step number 7. Connect with the sneaker community. Sneaker collecting is about people as much as shoes. Attend sneaker conventions, trade shows, and local meetups. Engage in online forums and Discord groups where collectors share news, deals, and stories. For example, SneakerCon events around the world give you a chance to buy, sell, and connect with other sneakerheads. The more connected you are, the more opportunities you'll have to find pairs, learn insider tips, and build friendships through the culture. Imagine this. You've saved up and finally grab your first Grail, a pair of Jordan 11 Concords. You keep them pristine, wear them on special occasions, and every time someone compliments them, you tell the story of how you waited in line at 5 a.m. to secure your size. Or maybe you go the other route and collect affordable classics like Reebok Club C's and New Balance 550s. Your collection might not be full of hype, but it tells a story of timeless style. That's the beauty of sneaker collecting. It's personal. HowExpert Tip: trade up strategically. A little-known strategy in sneaker collecting is trading up. Start with a mid-tier pair you won on release day. Then trade it for something more valuable in your size. Repeat this process, and you can climb the ladder from general releases to Grails without spending thousands all at once. When you follow these steps, sneaker collecting becomes more than shopping. It becomes a passion, a hobby, and even a potential investment. You'll build a collection that reflects your personality, connects you with others, and keeps you excited for every release. Your challenge: start today by researching one sneaker that inspires you. Learn its history, find out where you could buy it, and set a savings goal. Once you secure that pair, let it mark the beginning of your sneaker journey. For even more tips, techniques, and practical examples on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Sneaker Collecting, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.